Now, there are different means you can make money online, and what I'll be sharing with you in this video, this could be the least, but I guess is the easiest way you can make money online. Now, what you are seeing on your screen right now is over 85,000 naira right here on your screen. Now, this was made from this means of which I'll be sharing with you in this video. Right now, to prove to you that this is real, I'm going to be withdrawing this money right here in this video right now, and you're going to be seeing the proof live in this very video. Right now, this method of making money online requires you doing simple social media tasks. Right now, there's more to it which made me this money, of which I'm going to be breaking it down for you in this very video. Now, you can see right now that I'm one of their top 10 earners on this very platform. Now, as you can see, top 10 earners based on current balance. Right, I'm right here on number 2, which I have a balance of over 85,425 naira. Now, you are going to be learning everything from me because I'm going to be sharing how I was able to make this money from this platform, and now you can also make additional money from this very platform right now. So the first thing you want to do is to register a free account with them. Right, I'll be dropping the link to this very video right there in the description of this video and right there in the comment section. So once you register a free account with them, as I said earlier, you have to log in your account. So once you log in your account, the first thing you have to do is to activate your account, which is very important. Activating your account is a one-time activation fee of which you don't have to pay anything at all again. Now, this will give you a lifetime access to this platform, to everything you'll be enjoying from this platform, right? The benefit that comes with it, and all the opportunity of making money from this very platform. So once you activate your account, you'll be landing in this very dashboard right now, as you can see right here. The next thing you want to do is to put in your social media links. Right now, if you come over to this very place right now, you see there where they ask you to put in your social media links, which is social media. Click on it, it will take you to social media. Then you are going to put in all your social media right here. Right, how do you do that? You click on this add social media right here, you go through the instructions right now, then you scroll down, select the respective social media you want to add. Let's say it's LinkedIn. Then you scroll down, put in your LinkedIn profile, read the instructions carefully, make sure you add your username on your LinkedIn account so that they can use that to verify it is you, if you are the real owner of the account. Right, then you click on submit social media, and the next few hours it will be verified. As you can see right now, this is my social media list, and all of them are ticked except the last one. Right now, this social media is what we're using to make money from this platform. And how do you make money? The first way is by coming to tasks right here and by doing simple social tasks right here. As you can see, these are diverse tasks on this very platform. The available task is over 216 tasks, and these are the different tasks right here. This is a Telegram task and our Facebook task. What you have to do is to like and follow a page, and you earn money from it. Click on view tasks, then you are going to see that they are going to take you through all the tasks description. You earn 6 naira, right? And the guide to follow. Please make sure you log in, follow the Facebook user on the link and below, and submit the screenshot below. Click on view job. It will take you to your Facebook page, of which you are going to just follow the account they ask you to follow. Now, this is the account right now. What I want to do right now is just to click on follow. Once I follow right now, click on back, just like for additional, then you screenshot it. Once you screenshot it, you come over to this very place. We are going to submit. I'm going to submit this job right now, right? Then we scroll down, click here to submit a social media task. Then I've already submitted it, right? I'm going to input the screenshot right there. They are going to verify my task within the next few minutes, and the money is going to be added to my uh, dashboard, right? So that's just it, right? That's how you can do tasks. If you want to know the price list of every task you are going to be doing, of which you want to know the price list of every task, what you have to do is to come to price list, click on it, and it's going to take you to any list right now. You're going to be seeing the list of money you are going to be paid per each task you do on this platform. Audio mark music like 5 naira, audio mark music stream 15 naira. Scroll down, Facebook post comment 5 naira, and all of that. Now these are just an additional way you can make money from this platform. Now, the major way to make money from this platform is by inviting people to join this platform. And you might be thinking this is just a lot, or I can't do this, right? Now, this is one of the major ways you can make money from this platform, and there's a simple way you can go about it, of which it will not cost you nothing. This is what make me the most amount of money from this platform. I'm not going to lie, right? I do other tasks on this platform, but this is what brings most of the money from this very platform. Now, if you come to your dashboard, you're going to see this is a social media link right now. You're going to copy it, and if you read the instructions carefully, the number one said you get 0.5% of the first deposit if you refer an advertiser, and the other right here is saying you get 500 naira if you refer an earner and they activate their account, right? Now copy your link. The link is what you're going to be using to make money from this very platform. It's just simple as that, right? Now if you come over to this very place to show you that this is the what have made me the most money, I'm going to come over to my profile. If you click on my profile, as you can see, my account is activated. If I scroll down right now, you're going to see that I've referred over 1,000 people right now on this very platform, which is 1,346 people. Now I'm just showing you the real fact so that you will follow me step by step in this very video. Right now, once you have copied your referral link, right, know that you must have activated your account before you can get your referral link, or which is your invite link, right? Just know that, right? What we're going to be using that to do is to invite people to join this platform. Now before I continue with this video, right, I'm going to withdraw this money because many of you might be thinking if this thing is real or fake, right? I'm going to be withdrawing this money right now on this very platform so that you will know that this is real, and I will take you through the next step in this very video, right? So what I'm going to do right now is to withdraw this very money. Make sure you added your payment details on this very platform, right? That's the next thing you want to do. Add your payment details. That's very simple. If you scroll down, so I'm going to click on withdraw to bank. They're going to ask me to select the bank. I'm going to select my bank, which is the bank I've already input right here, which is the OP. Select it. And the minimum amount I can withdraw from this platform is 1,000 naira, right? And maximum is 400,000 naira. And you get 50% charges for each withdrawal. I'm going to withdraw 30,000 naira right now from this very platform. I'm going to withdraw 30,000 naira. So they're asking me to request for OTP. Click on request for OTP and request for OTP. And I'm going to go to my Gmail to get the OTP I just requested right now on this very platform. Copy the OTP. This is to make sure that you are the real person withdrawing this money from this very platform. Put in the OTP right here. I'm going to click on withdraw. And this money is going to be withdrawn to my bank right now. I'm going to go to my bank right now to see this money if it has landed on my account right away. Now, right away, right now, the money just landed in my bank right now. As you can see, this is the 30,000 naira I just withdrawn from this very platform right away. If you can check the time right now, it started with the time I withdraw this very money right now. Now, this is really paying, and you should really pay attention to this very video. Now we have withdrawn the money. Let's move further to the main point in this video, right? Before we move further to the main point, if you are getting value from this video so far, I would just love you right now to like this video as a way of encouragement. Like this video and do well to subscribe to this very channel, right? Because more videos, more awesome videos will be coming your way very shortly, and you don't want to miss out. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn all bell notification so that you'll be alerted anytime I drop videos like this on this very platform, right? Once you have withdrawn this money to our bank account, the next thing you want to know is how do I make this money from this platform? That's a very nice question. So let's dive deep into how I was able to make this money from this platform right away. But before we dive deep, there's an important step you have to know in getting your money to your bank account. The first thing you have to do is that you want to make sure you add in your payment details, right? If you want to do that, click on payment right here. Then you scroll down. You're going to see where they ask you to add your bank, right? Click on the bank you want to add, select your bank. They're going to verify your account and you're going to add your bank, right? Now, making money by doing simple tasks will make you a lot of money. I won't lie, right? If you want to be doing simple tasks on this very platform by doing simple social media tasks, before you can make up to 5,000 naira, that can take you at least 3 days, right? Because you have to do almost all the tasks on this platform before you can make up to like 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, right? But the major way is by inviting your friends, your family, right, your community to join this platform, right? Now, this is a platform that gives you a leverage to make money by doing simple social media tasks, and this can stand as a side hustle for anybody out there, right? Now, this is what you can preach to your friend who is looking for a way to make money, your neighbor, your classmate, your coursemate, your colleague at work, right? Now, you can easily tell them about this platform, and trust me, they'll be interested to join this platform real time, right? You can even introduce this video to them. You can share this video to them, and once they watch the video, they'll be interested in joining this platform because who don't want to make money as in Nigeria? The way the country is, everybody need side hustles, right? Not just one side hustle, many side hustles, right? Now, you can introduce this platform to them and tell them the benefit that comes with it. Once they activate their accounts, they have opportunity to make money via doing simple tasks, and they can also make money even if they're in Ghana or they're in Nigeria with just one account. And they can also make money by also inviting others also to join this platform, right? Once you tell them the opportunity that comes with this platform, they'll be interested to join this platform because who don't want to make money online? Everybody want to make money. People are looking for diverse ways they can make money, all right? 9 to 5 workers, stay at home moms, students, They are looking for ways, right? Once you share this platform to them, you share this opportunity to them, they will be interested. That way, you give them your link to register. Once they register, activate their account, you gain 500 naira per invite. Let's imagine you were able to talk to about 10 persons, or let's say 30 persons, and out of the 30 persons, 5 were interested, or let's say 10 were interested. That is an extra 5,000 naira for you. You can do this as a business. You can invite people to your WhatsApp group. You can give your friends to share. You can organize a little class for them, brush them on about this platform and the benefit that comes with it. And those who are interested, they register and you earn pay anybody that registered on this very platform. And this is not a Ponzi scheme, and inviting others is not compulsory, right? It's not compulsory. If you choose to make money by doing simple tasks, it is fine by you, and you can make money from that. And it's also choose money by doing this, it's also fine by you, and you can also make much money from this, right? You can also make money as an advertiser on this platform. Remember that. Why? Because you can advertise your goods and services, people will like, and you can engage your community, engage your page, grow your page, and you pay people to do that for you, right? This is just two ways, and this is going to be great for influencers, those who have massive audience, right? If you have good audience in your Facebook, in your Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp community, this is going to be a huge opportunity for you to leverage on, and you can make lots of money from it. What if you don't have people you want to talk to? You don't have large audience, you don't have large following, and you can also make money from this by leveraging on other people's platform, right? If you are in Facebook groups, if you can also join other Facebook groups that has more audience about making money, you can request the admin that you want to post something that will educate their audience, right? But then you have to post a post that educates, not a post that wants them to register on the platform. People don't want that, right? You have to be very smart about this, right? If you are posting on a group, someone else's group, you want to post something that will educate them. We introduce something that will benefit them, which is this platform, right? That way they'll be interested in your article and they can read down and they can register. You can gain your commission from that, right? You can leverage on another group, other Facebook group. You can post there and you can leverage on your friends' audience, right? You have people who have audiences, you can leverage on their audience and you can make money from this by telling them to help you share this post, right? Now, this is other ways you can make money from this platform. And if you have a YouTube channel, you can also post on your YouTube channel. If you have an audience there, you can introduce this platform to your audience. You can leverage on this and you can make so much money from this. Now, this is just an opportunity for you to make money from if you are really interested in making money online, right? If you are getting value from this very video so far, I would love you to like this video, subscribe to this very channel, and also drop a comment in the comment section if you are getting value, or if you have any questions for me, you have any concern, you have anything you want to tell me, right? Or maybe you are having some challenges in registering or activating your account. Let me know in the comment section. Right now, with this said, I know you have got value from this video. I know you have learned something. If you want to register on this platform, the link are right here in the description and in the pinned comment section. You can register an account with them and start making money from this platform. Now, thank you for watching this video. I don't want to make this video very long. I know you got value from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribing to this channel will cost you nothing. You are paying nothing to subscribe. It's just free. Subscribe and like this video, right? You can click here to take advantage of other videos that shows you other ways you can make money online. Bye for now.